This is video 2 of transplanting holy basil to bigger container. So I'm following all the instructions from Sacred Plants channel. That's Navin, a young lady in Canada that grow all sacred plants. And I've started my Tulsi from seeds. I believe I started in January of 2018. And everything has been going well. And I've also propagated many plants from the plants that I already have by just cutting them and putting them in water, soaking them until they grow roots, then planting them again. So now my next step is transplanting them to a bigger pot. Some of my plants went up to close to 2 feet. This is just an example of one of my Tulsi plants, and I do harvest them. And so they're smaller than if they weren't harvested. But I'm sorry about the lighting, but this is, I finally have a room where I can keep the plants indoors and have grow lights, which I feel so blessed because the plants really enjoy it. They really like the grow light and everything, so that's good for them. So like I stated, it's just organic pot mix and half perlite is mixed. So now I have a 5-gallon container here of this mixed substance, and I will be putting them in the containers, that one right there first, and then transplant 2 of the plants. The thing is to have them very nicely placed there, but not firmly pressed in, but just gently pressed in. And have yourself at least 1 inch for watering. So that's going to be the goal in transplanting the 2 plants that I choose. So see you then with the 3rd one.